Hey guys, it's Davita here with WTI, and this is the iPhone XS 64 gig. This is the gold color. And if you are looking to maybe upgrade your older iPhone, but you don't necessarily want to upgrade to the very newest version, I think this is a really great option. iPhones are easy to use. They run very fast, very smooth. There's so many great things like airdropping that you can use to your other Apple devices that I have loved using iPhone for. And this one in particular, the XS, has an excellent camera. I do a lot of things for social media and creating content, and this has fit all of my needs really perfectly. Another great thing about this is the size. It fits nicely in one hand. You can text in just one hand, and it fits nicely in my purse or even in my pocket. So I can say enough great things about this iPhone XS. I have been super happy with using this phone, and that is my point of view.